Welcome to another episode of Talking Timepieces, where we talk about watch collecting and horology. Today on Quick Closeup, we're going to take a close-up look at this Mission to Moon Moonswatch. Now, it's a very quartz watch. It's not even a mecha quartz style where the second hand ticks along at 5 beats. It is a straight up and down, simple, inexpensive quartz piece that just happens to look like a Speedmaster, which is why everybody likes it. And the Mission to the Moon is one of the more desirable ones because of the gray color. Now, it has a very nice back as well with a little image of the moon, Mission to Moon, and the like. The strap is notoriously terrible. In fact, the best thing to do with the strap is just put it in the box. As you notice, I have NATO straps. It's better to put it on a NATO strap. Now, the thing about the Mission to the Moon is it's not as flamboyant or colorful as, say, for example, the Mission to Mars, or as distinctive as the Mission to Saturn. But that's one of the reasons people like it, is because it is such a clean color. Well, gray isn't really even a color. And some people think, well, maybe they just think people will think it's a Speedmaster. Well, they might, but they're not going to think it's a steel one. But it could pass for, a ceramic if they made a gray ceramic one. They do make a black ceramic one. And I can understand why there are people who are upset with the Moonswatch line, because it does kind of look at a distance like ceramic Speedmasters costing a comical amount of money. So that was the quick close-up. Don't forget to check out our Fun with Straps, and we'll do a complete, deeper review of the watch as well.